Okay, hey everybody. I'm gonna be vacuuming the basement with the Riccar 100 behind me. It is a 10 amp high performance vacuum, and it's a bagged vacuum. So, excuse me. Hope you enjoy. This is gonna be two views, one all the way over there and one here. We're gonna try with the laptop and hope that it works. Maybe better quality. I'm not sure. I'm getting a touch soon, so we'll get some high quality videos back on my channel soon. But as soon as I can get out there, because I am extremely busy. So there's the Riccar. This is V2. Enjoy. Sorry about all the burned out lights. Stuff happens. So here we go. Going in the screensaver, that's a first. Didn't think that was gonna happen. So that means the video's about 3 minutes long so far. That's actually pretty good. So, let me give you the basic overview. The reason I go over it twice is this carpet's a little thicker than most carpets. It's newer. We got this in like 2006. I forget when it was. Of all the things I forget. Anyways, before I had a YouTube channel, we had a Hoover. They had carpet selection, and my parents always like to put it on low to get all the stuff out of it, and the motor burned out. We were doing it down here, so for the Bissell and the Riccar, I always go over it twice, especially when like goldfish crumbs get ground in there. And I've noticed something too. Have you ever noticed, like, look at it now. I don't even think the laptop, yeah, the laptop can pick it up if you like see all that right in there. Have you ever realized that like vacuum is like lawn mowing almost, like has strides from the brush roll? I just noticed that. It's kind of weird, but yeah. So basically, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna finish up here. This is not how my furniture looks. I move it that way. If anything gets pushed underneath the couch, doesn't attract bugs or anything. So, I guess thanks for watching. 2 different camera angles. One's probably gonna have a better quality. One's gonna be different. And then something I want to ask you to do. Post on either video, especially for this one, if you want me to stabilize the shakiness or not, because I've noticed on the videos on YouTube that the shakiness kind of messes up the video. I don't know. So I don't know whether or not you want me to leave it shaky or to stabilize it. Post on the comments below. Please don't put anything stupid out there. You can comment on the video, but I want your guys' opinion because I don't want to change anything and you guys be like, "Rah, why'd you do that?" or anything. So, if you could do that, that would be awesome. You don't have to, but I just thought that would be cool if you could do that. So, thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe if you want to. You don't have to. That would be cool though if you did. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll be making videos soon. So peace out, everybody.